I'm Thomas Birkman, and this is my room at the Lake Forest Showhouse. The room is a paneled study, and my intention with the design in here was to kind of bring it back to its former glory. My fictitious clients were sort of a well-heeled, well-traveled, older couple, and this is sort of a place where the repository for sort of things that they found on their travels, collections of art, and one antique at a time. They sort of pieced it together, so it's sort of like the story and the history of them. The layout came to mind because, well, it was described as an office, so I was like, well, I need to have an area that's got a desk and a study, but it's also such a large space that I took on the approach of it's kind of like a salon too. So central seating area with a couple personal perches and then another area for games or whatever. I wanted it to be, a multifaceted space. Chairs you can pull up, so you can have big gatherings, small gatherings. If you're in here by yourself, you don't feel like, an ant. I feel like the color palette in here is jewel tone heavy with a lot of like rich toned neutrals. When you're gifted this room with these wonderful sort of medium brown paneled walls, I needed some punch to kind of stand up to it. So I found some bold patterns that allowed me to spin anywhere I wanted to go and make it all work. In all of my designs, I think 100 times out of 100, there's going to be velvet. This is a beautiful example of it, this Empire style sofa with the Schumacher cotton velvet. Well, Schumacher's cotton velvet arrays, there's 250 SKUs of it. It's hard you can't not find the color you need. So that's what makes Schumacher like such a go-to for every project. We always have like a smattering of the other products.